referring to the standard model, you wrote, after describing some of these weaknesses, that's okay. Nobody expects it to be the ultimate beautiful theory of everything, if there is any such thing. And it was this, if there is any such thing, that I wanted to press you on, because it seems to, one, suggest maybe that you're skeptical of either our ability to completely understand the universe, or two, that there is some potential regimentation of all the physics out there.
Well, there's potentially lots of things. Remember, my point in this book is to only say things that we are pretty sure are true. So we would like there to be a single beautiful underlying unified theory of everything, but we don't know. So I can't just say, oh, I promise you there will be. I mean, I have no right to say that. There's a certain way that physicists think and theorize, et cetera, but we should admit the boundary between what we know and what we don't know. Certainly, we have no right to say that there is a beautiful final theory. I mean, maybe the final theory is going to be ugly, right? Like, how do I know what it's going to be? So I'm just being honest about the difference between what is more or less established by experiment versus what we're hoping for.